Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 21st, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, if you only looked at the Dow today, you probably would have gotten pretty bored. Dow Jones Industrial Average went nowhere today. It was in a very narrow trading range all day long. Ended up closing -7. Surprisingly enough, we did very good. Of course, doing very good for us means we come into the day with quite a few positions that are very positive, and that's exactly what happened. And a couple of those positions were disappointments, no doubt about it. We had a trade in Yelp that I think on the open this morning it was close to being up $2,000. By the time we got out of it, it was down over -$2,000. $4,000 swing there in Yelp. We don't like that. But that was the exception. Most of our markets did really good, and some of them really gained in value. We ended up closing out over $15,000 in closed out trades. That's pretty good. And not only that, we're carrying over $3,000 in open trade equity. So gotta call it a great day. Anyway, I'm smiling. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see like 2 days ago we get this big range here, and then on Friday it's a much tighter range. And today, it's just a tiny range. Absolutely nothing was happening with the Dow there of significance. But anyway, it did end up closing down just 7 points. We had some really great trades, however. I'm going to show you a couple of them. I'm going to put these up on the website. So I'll show you how as I put them together here. They're not up yet. But this first one is in PKD, which is Parker Drilling Company, and that's an oil stock essentially. And you can see here, last Thursday we bought PKD about the first hour of the market day, and then on Friday this thing really exploded. And then today it took off some more. And what I love to see, just look at this here. We get out of that thing right at the top. We got out of that right at the top. And we made on PKD, I don't know if you can see that, $6,570. What a trade. Great trade in Parker Drilling Company. I'll show you one more here that I'm also going to be putting up on the website. This trade is in Solar City, SCTY, and we didn't make quite as much money in Solar City as we did in Parker Drilling, but this is what it's like Parker Drilling in the sense, look at this thing. We get out of this right before this thing starts to crap out. So we ended up taking out $4,440 out of Solar City. Great trade. 2 great trades. I mean, when I see these trades when we just get out there at the top, it makes my day. I almost don't care what the other markets do. Anyway, I'm smiling. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.